Are you happy to see me? Can I get 10,000 likes on this video? I'm waiting for you. I just...
People are just coming for me. People are now insulting me. I even feel like, I feel like I'm losing my self-confidence.
My people, my brother, WODE MAYA and Miss TRUDY, they Uganda. Are you Uganda? Are you a Uganda person? Yes, WODE MAYA and Miss TRUDY, they're Uganda. I'm supposed to film this video because of my beautiful sis. Yes, of my beautiful sis for my country that they got argument. Now see today, now I film how many videos I don't film today? Like 3 videos when I publish. Supposed to publish this WODE MAYA video today. I'll be saying that today I'll publish and not publish. Okay, pardon me, my beautiful people. I'm supposed to give you an audit of WODE MAYA and others our beautiful sister. Yes, WODE MAYA, they Uganda. He said exactly 4 years when they take deport him, go back to Ghana. That thing send me can't again. Well, thank God say they don't realize their mistake and they don't do everything. And Miss TRUDY say she they enjoy Uganda. I just tell me I bring update. I will leave some clip for now. May now watch. Yes. I will leave some of the clip for now. Waiting our sister, our wifey from West Africa. Miss TRUDY talk about Uganda. That is draw my liver echo meme. Before we come, no, maybe we first talk about WODE MAYA. First of all, WODE MAYA say, now your wife.
Happy to see me.
Let's watch it together.
10,000 likes on this video. I'm waiting for you. I just want to see if...
He said he would like to.
Happy to see me. Can I get 10,000 likes on this video? I'm waiting for you. I just want to see if you are excited.
Go and give like for that video. Give like for that video. Motivate him more. Okay? Motivate him more and more and more. Let's go again.
You are sometimes you just have to put the past behind and focus on the present and the future. And this is why I decided to come back to Uganda again. I know you all saw my deportation story. I know you all know that this video went viral. Even in Uganda, listen, I am not that guy who makes a country look bad. I'm that guy who is on a journey to tell Africans that it's time to travel within Africa. It's time to cherish Africa like the way...
He not be that guy when they travel all over the Africa to bring the... No country where ugly not day. No country when bad not day. No country when bad place not day. Now because of our country too works, that is why. You understand? No country when bad not day. And this our brother, they about that part to bring the ugly part of Africa out. He's there to bring the beautiful things of Africa out to the world. Not the Africa to the world. He not feel destroy his own Africa now when they promote in Africa. Okay, my people. Okay, my Africa leaders, my Africa people, my Africa daddies and brother and auntie and mommies. Okay, this our brother. They travel all over the Africa to bring the best part of Africa. Me not only deport them again. I beg. Okay, anytime we come your country, anytime we visit our country, may we they give am that open space because he don't want that next when they don't no paint us for this this part of the world. He don't want me add again. He they like to paint. Though we still get our own, but he they like to paint. Me una not deport him again. Whether na Uganda, whether na another country, Africa country. Please, he even say he be say he will travel to Africa, but when that one still shall still bring and come for and say, now this place he did today. Oh, yeah, I pray may God give me the more strength to do it. Okay, my people, let's promote ourselves. Let's stop the hate. But when you see something when bad, you can correct that person. Now I break comfort now. My people, I hope now they understand my English. Because they speak in Nigerian-pidgin-English, broken English now they speak. Because I receive messages, that person ask, say, what kind of language are you speaking? I speak Niger broken English. Yes, I know you are from Uganda, from Kenya, B. I don't know. Or maybe now you person like me just want to, to bring my leg. Me, I'm comfortable for one hand. For this channel, with the knock and broken, Niger broken, wutu. Now. Yes, I think I hear that my brother. Please, anywhere he travel to, let's give him open space to to showcase and go and give that video a like. Let that video hit 30,000 like. How you go watch person video you not give like? It's not good though. And let's dive again. Sorry.
Thank my wife. I'm excited because she did all the convincing. Yeah. Don't tell her that I told you that.
He said the way you cherish your woman, he is here to bring Uganda, the best part of Uganda out. Okay?
Back to Uganda. So the beautiful stories of Uganda. Yeah, what am I saying? We should go back and thank my wife. I'm excited because she did all the convincing, yeah.
He said, may we help and thank his wife. Now your wife, now you do all those things when we see say him they do today. Now your wife say, guy, husband, hobby. It's time for we, us, Abi, me and you, or you to go back to Uganda. It's just complete 4 years. And one person, if volunteer to buy their ticket, some people get them for cash. God will bless that person who pay WODE MAYA transport fare with his wife. Okay.
Don't tell her that I told you guys. She told me that put your past behind and go back to Uganda. A secret. I was supposed to tell me Trudy.
That is why it's good. Say two blind people can never walk. At least one, when you see say the other part, he they break down. At least you they clap for them, you they encourage them to do more. WODE MAYA without be told, Miss Trudy, she look calm, she look decent without be told. We they see, that's decent and maybe pikin when you don't get mama, say they already get reserved. I don't know, but she's calm and I believe she have sex. Okay. Thank you for that, WODE MAYA. I wish you success. I wish you safe journey. All your journey, that is all the transport where you will take. May the good Lord bless and guide you and protect you and your team and your wife in Jesus' name. Amen. Now this one I will get to tell my people, say, WODE MAYA Uganda. If you be Uganda person and you be WODE MAYA fans, you be WODE MAYA supporter and you be WODE MAYA lover, like WODE MAYA Uganda. And if you get opportunity to fit say go where he dey, or if na your state now WODE MAYA be he dey, you feel just opportunity to meet am, or if you not still like to meet am, just know say WODE MAYA dey Uganda with his wife. Let's dive to Miss TRUDY. That is WODE MAYA wife. Wetin he say he experienced for Uganda. My Uganda people, we are one Africa. We are here to promote. I don't know, no matter how you go preach to some people here, it be like say when you go they talk today, one go they enter here, one go they come out. Now so many of us be now so many, whether na Uganda, whether na as far you are human being, mostly that all those are Africa. When you go they try to tell them, say see the good things when you they try to do, but some go see them as good, some go see them as bad. Sometimes those when they see them as bad, now they do the many part, those when they see them as good. I don't know why, my people. May we listen to Miss TRUDY.
You're trending on Twitter. I'm like, oh my god, it's amazing, until I enter Twitter to see what I'm trending about. Until I enter to see what I'm trending about, that's when it hit me that it's actually something negative. So, what happened? The government of Uganda.
My people, Miss TRUDY. My people, Miss TRUDY. She said she just did. I think I did record. I don't know say I post her, my people. Miss TRUDY said Uganda people they attack her. Behold, she go to Twitter. That is she writes on Twitter. I will leave her mail now. Read her also. He said now somebody call her say, Miss TRUDY, you just a trend for Twitter. Now she said make she go look Twitter. She go be happy. Make she go look Twitter. As she reach Twitter, now he say, what are they trend about? Bad thing. People they attack me. When I call they attack me. I don't know whether Uganda get wetin he say una get. Why na come they attack me? He say na only Kenya and other country when she mention. Why Uganda people come they attack me? She talk about Uganda goods. So that if other tourists want to come, not be only Kenya, person they promote to na country Uganda. Person they promote to na country na they attack am. If na Europe now America, now people they say this thing na only Canada. I don't say they America. America person can never attack that person because he knows say one way or the other they promote in a country. Now they attack, now they call her all kind of name. I was shocked, I was shocked-alized. And all those people, why did they pay me? Whether na my country, Nigeria, whether na any country, those people, they are well educated. They can write. They don't do social media. They don't socialize. The same kind of people now attack parts. A village person don't know about internet. If you get access to internet, I believe you go get access past many of us. Those people when sabi tweet, when sabi write, una go school. Una don't see your eye, una don't socialize. Why una say they attack? Any little thing una go attack. Why? Somebody they promote in our country. Anybody want come in our country, make the person come. Una they call her all kind of name. She even tell una say for a country, not even say desert, it is her country, her own Kenya. My own country, Nigeria. Not everything I know about my Nigeria, my country. Part of north, I never ever go all those north side. You feel back up for Nigeria finish. When one person say Nigeria, something like this they happen, I say no. And I can't try it. I can't try it because Nigeria is big. Nigeria is big. Why would they attack ourselves? person it come your country as a tourist that they spend money, you supposed to respect them as they come your country, because they can't spend, not be say they can't get, they can't spend, though they don't they make video to catch out on that video. I believe they will still catch out, but let's give ourselves a respect. They can't spend money for your country. They can't showcase your country for social media. That is beautiful. Uganda is this. Uganda is not like this again. Uganda is not like this. If I get bad motive towards them, I think you don't they come down. Why are we attacking ourselves? Why? Uganda people, we not carry and come down. We not respect our wife. Not they use our West Africa wife play. We not come for me. I'll come for now. Hey, that is why I get to talk. Okay. Let's respect ourselves. They are there to promote in our country, not for hate, not for good. Let we Africa unite and come together so that we can move a mountain. Okay, my people, I just say me, I tell them, I say, Miss TRUDY WODE MAYA, why that they attack her for Twitter. WODE MAYA, he dey Uganda. Now Uganda people, they attack her. No be, and if you retrace this thing, people in the attacks, I'm not so sure saying that Uganda, the main people in the Uganda, you'll be like, you'll bow now people in travel out of Uganda. You're not supposed to be like that. Let us stop. I want to put Africa, we too get that character. I don't know how to defend it. I don't want to make this my video the past at least 15 minutes. I don't know how to defend it. We always see each other as competitive. We always competitive. Hey, wait till your country get past my country. Hey, wait till you know. Hey, wait till you who be this rat. So, Oyibo can never call you a rat. Small pikin can correct a big person. They can learn something. I make small as they give birth. From small pikin, they don't they monitor and they don't they know where you want to be. They don't. Oyibo man can never look down on person. If Africa will start moving forward, that character was supposed to bring them down. May we live. Oyibo people accept you for who you are. They take you for who you are. Why can't us, we the Africa, take ourselves individual who we are? Like me, and many people they bully me for my comment section. What are you speaking? What are they speaking? This one they speaking. If Oyibo man, he will never bully me like that at all. What are you speaking? And you know, so I they speak. No be deaf and dumb. You be you. I they speak. My people, let's respect ourselves and let's love ourselves. Without love, we don't go anywhere. And this is what I get to tell you, my people. My wifey, my beautiful wife, Miss TRUDY, happy. Whether they, I know say you don't strong put to all those bullies that they give you. I know say you don't strong put you and your husband. Keep on shining. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Keep on shining.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss.